Hello students, welcome to Chemistry for 10+2. Today we are going to begin with the preparation of alkyl halides. In today's session, we are going to see the reaction of alkene with hydrogen halide. The alkene which we are using here is symmetrical alkene. So let's begin with the reaction. Dear students, in this reaction we are going to see addition of hydrogen halide to alkenes. Here alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons. Let me clarify here that the unsaturated hydrocarbons are of two types. Compounds containing double or triple bond are said to be unsaturated hydrocarbons, and here in this reaction we are going to use the unsaturated hydrocarbons which contain double bond. Hydrocarbons containing double bonds are said to be alkenes. The alkenes which we are using here are symmetrical alkenes. Before starting with the reaction, we should know what is symmetrical alkene. Symmetrical alkenes are those compounds in which to both the sides of carbon-carbon double bond, same number of carbon atoms are present. Such alkenes are said to be symmetrical alkenes. Let's begin with the reaction. Addition of hydrogen halides to alkenes. Here, symmetrical alkenes react with hydrogen chloride to form alkyl chloride. Now let's see the reaction with hydrogen chloride. Here we find CH2 double bond CH2. This is ethene. It is a symmetrical alkene. When it is treated with hydrogen chloride, that is HCl, we find that hydrogen of HCl goes to one carbon atom and Cl of HCl goes to another carbon atom. And the reaction proceeds in such a way that the double bond present in the alkene breaks and the addition of H and Cl is found in this way. As we can see here, hydrogen goes to one carbon atom and Cl goes to another carbon atom to give here ethyl chloride. In this reaction, it is found that the reaction is slow as compared to other alkyl halides. Let's proceed. Here we are going to see the addition of hydrogen halide to alkenes. The hydrogen halide used here is hydrogen bromide. So symmetrical alkenes react with hydrogen bromide to form alkyl bromides. Now let's see reaction with hydrogen bromide. Here we find CH2 double bond CH2. This is symmetrical alkene. Symmetrical alkene when treated with HBr, that is hydrogen bromide, as we find here, The carbon-carbon double bond breaks and hydrogen of HBr goes to one carbon atom and Br of this HBr goes to another carbon atom. Thus the reaction proceeds to give ethyl bromide, CH3 bond CH2 bond Br, ethyl bromide. Here the reaction is moderate as compared to other alkyl halides. Let's talk about the next reaction in which the hydrogen halide used is hydrogen iodide. So symmetrical alkenes react with hydrogen iodide to form alkyl iodide. Let's begin with the reaction. Here we find CH2 double bond CH2, that is symmetrical alkene. When it is treated with Hi, that is hydrogen iodide, the reaction proceeds in similar way, wherein the double bond of alkene breaks and the addition of Hi takes place along the carbon-carbon double bond. So, hydrogen atom of Hi goes to one carbon atom and iodine of Hi goes to another carbon atom. Thus, the reaction proceeds to give ethyl iodide, CH3, CH2 and I, that is ethyl iodide. Here, reaction is fast as compared to other alkyl halides. Thank you. Click the bell icon to get the notification of my new updates. Subscribe the channel, share it and like it. Thank you.